morning, Junior 4. I'm Miss Fatma Abdul Rauf Hamad Nalla, and I will teach you science this year. Hope to enjoy studying science with me. In the last video, we mentioned that all mammals, such as humans, elephants, and dogs, have the same structure of the nervous system, right? Today, let's study an example of mammals, the Egyptian jerboa, also known as the jumping jerboa. The Egyptian jerboa is a desert rodent that searches for food at night. Okay, let's study the adaptations of the Egyptian jerboa. One, the jerboa has large and sensitive ears, allowing it to detect even a quiet snake. This is a structural adaptation because it's a part of its body. 2. The jerboa's feet and toes have hair that helps it grip the sand when it hops and jumps. It hops in a zigzag pattern to escape quickly from danger. This is a behavioral adaptation because it's an action that happens. 3. The jerboa has long hind legs that enable it to jump a long distance. And this is another structural adaptation. How do all parts of the jerboa work in danger? 1. The sensory receptors in the jerboa's ears send a message through the nerves to its brain. The jerboa's brain processes this message and signals its legs to move. 2. The jerboa's strong hopping legs then start to jump away from the danger, moving in zigzag paths to escape the snake. Okay? The jerboa's sharp sense of hearing and its strong legs for jumping work together with its nervous system to help it survive. Finally, we have to know that this response process occurs in less than 1 second and is called reaction time. What's the meaning of reaction time? Reaction time is the time taken by an organism's body to react to different information from the environment, such as danger. How does the jerboa respond to danger compared to a human? Both humans and jerboas avoid danger by relying on sensory receptors. They both move quickly away from the danger. For example, the jerboa hops in a zigzag pattern. Why? Or give a reason. To escape quickly from danger. A human moves their hand quickly when it touches the spines of a cactus plant. Now I want you to tell me, what is the function of the nervous system? I'm waiting for your answers in the comments, okay? Now, we need to understand that senses are used for communication, as some animals depend on their sense of hearing to communicate, such as ants. Ants live in colonies that consist of nurse ants, scout ants, and soldier ants. How does this group communicate to survive? When food is low, nurse ants send a chemical, smelly, message to the scout ants to locate food. Scout ants respond by sending a chemical, smelly message to alert other ants about where to find the food. And soldier ants use chemical, smelly messages to signal danger. There is another animal that uses senses for communication, the humpback whale. Humpback whales sing underwater. Why? Or give a reason. To communicate with each other. They sing a wide range of tones and a series of songs. These songs depend on seasons. It's a complete question, okay? So, there are 2 types of songs. The first one, in the summer, that is, the feeding season. Their songs have low-pitched sounds, similar to the rough voice of men. These low-pitched sounds travel better in warm water. The second one, in winter, that is, the mating season. Their songs have high-pitched sounds, similar to the sharp voice of women. These high-pitched sounds travel better in cold water. This is the last part in our concept.